How to make an Instagram carousel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then click on the plus button at the bottom. After you click on the plus button at the bottom, you'll find this kind of screen. And in here at the bottom, select post. Select one of the picture you want to add. And below the picture at the bottom right, you'll find a square shape. Click on the square shape. Now you will be able to select multiple photos. Select the photos you want to add and press on next at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on next at the top right corner of your screen, here you will find different options you can edit. If you want to edit. If not, press on next. After you press on next at the bottom right, it will lead you to this page. Here, you can add caption, add music, and press on share at the bottom right. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to make an Instagram carousel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.